Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg and today I will show you how to build an amazing project using Next.js. Like previously, we are building all projects related to Next.js which was of 10 minutes, and I hope you all enjoy that all projects which we are building, and I hope you'll be enjoying this project also, and this video will be also really helpful. So remember to see this video from start to end, because in this video there are really important things which you can learn about Next.js, and I hope you'll be understanding things from this video also, like you are enjoying all the previous videos. Like when we are working with Next.js, previously also we uploaded the video of iframe tag, like how to use that iframe tag using Next.js, and I hope you enjoy that. So today video will be also really helpful, so remember to see this video also, because this video will be also giving help to you. So if you enjoy this video and learn things from this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, because it gives motivation to me to make more videos like that and do more help for you. And also share this video with more people, or you can say your friends, so they can learn about these amazing things like how to do coding, what is programming, and what things we can make from programming and coding language, because coding and programming gives help in future. So remember to see these all videos from start point so you can learn. So I hope you understand that, and now we'll be starting with our project. So like I'm telling you, we will be just building an amazing project using Next.js, and I hope you all enjoy that this video also, like enjoying all the previous video, and this video will be giving you too much help to learn Next.js. So remember to see this video from start one, like I've telling you in the starting, and I hope you'll be enjoying this video also. So now we'll be starting with our project of Next.js. Now for starting your project of Next.js, first of all you have to open your VS Code text editor in which we worked previously on. Now you can see our VS Code text editor has been opened, like previously on we are working with this text editor. Now when your VS Code has been opened, just you have to do one thing here. We have to take one folder. So here I will be using one folder in my local disk app which I am containing. So if I just show you in local disk app here, you can see I'm just getting one folder here at the top, which is project 6. So I'll be using this folder, and if you want to create folder, you have to download Node.js in your operating system. So remember to download Node.js, and if you have not downloaded Node.js, so you cannot work with Next.js or React.js. So remember to download Node.js so you can work with Next.js and React.js. So now here you have to select the location where you have to create your folder of Next.js. So like I will be selecting the location of local disk app. Then I will be writing the command, like in small letters you have to write npx create. Then you have to write next step. In previous video I've also telling you how to create folder. You can check my previous videos if you don't know how to create folder of Next.js. Then you have to write space, and then you have to give your folder name here. You can give any folder name which you want, or which depends on your topic. So here if I write project 6, press enter. So then it will be taking some time to create your folders. You have to wait a while till it is creating, and I have already created the folder, you can see. So I will be just dragging dropping this folder in my VS Code, because in previous video I've told you many times how to create folder. If you don't know, you can check that out. I can open for you can open folder from here directly, or you can drag and drop. So I will be dragging dropping this because I want to just go to disk again, then we have to open folder again, so it will be wastage of time. So I will be dragging dropping that. You can see now here we have drag drop this project 6, but this is not working because here we are not getting the things like we want in this. So here I will be now do like this. So you can see this project 7 folder is working, so you can use project 7 folder. You can see project 6 folder is already in my local disk app. You can use any other folder with the other name you can put, and you can work with this. So here we have to run our Next.js app. So I will be going to my terminal. Then you have to wait a while till your terminal does not open. Then you have to write the command of npm run dev to run your Next.js app. So you have to wait a while till your terminal is opening, because it will be taking some time to open. So here when you will be at opening, so here I'll be moving it in this PowerShell, and here I will be writing npm run dev. So I'll be writing this command, press enter. So you have to wait a while till it will be running your Next.js app, and it will be not taking too much time to run your Next.js app. You can see now it is started on my localhost server, means on my default browser. So I will be opening my Opera browser, which is my default browser here. So open Opera browser directly. Now in localhost I was just having my like Next.js app. So you can see localhost 3000. When I'll be opening, you can see we are getting this, and now we are getting some of the error also. We'll be solving that further on, but we are getting this thing here because we have created the table previously on, which I was just showing you. So this thing we are getting here. Now I will be doing this coding side bigger, because coding side should be bigger, and then the side in which we are getting the interface should be small here. Now when you are getting this thing, just remember to close these all things which you are having. So here when you are just done with this, so remember do not to erase, and then we have to solve some of the error which we are getting here. So the error we are getting here of the components file, okay, so it is perfect. And now here simply when you are just getting the title, here we have set the title also. Now we will be using we will be using some of the tag, and we will be learning a tag today also. Previously also we were learning the tag, like I have telling you how to use iframe tag using Next.js, and I hope you enjoy that video. And we have also uploaded the Next.js clone, you can check that out of Next.js, because that will also give you help if you want to learn Next.js and want to learn things about Next.js, because that is also containing the many important things which you need to learn with Next.js. So you can see we are getting this. Now when you are getting this thing, just now you have to do one thing here else, like here you can put your own text which you want to put, so you can work with this. So here if I just move, then here also you can use iframe tag to work with this, but I think iframe tag we have used previously also, we don't need to use it again. Now I will be doing one thing here, I'll be moving to my header.js, okay, footer.js, in which we have written component 2. Then I will be moving down. Here we will be using some of the different tags here like we are using previously on, and today I will be telling you the tag which should be like event listener, how to use an event listener tag. So here add event listener, if you want to add event, so you can use add event listener here. You can see we are just getting this now. Here if I use a tag which will be like footer, like we have used previously on footer and header tag, I've telling you how to use that. So here if you want to know how to give a animation effect here, so here you can write any text header, save this. You can see we are getting a header. Then you can give it the thing like mark, you can say max is equals to 50. Save. Now you can set its width, and then you can give the like you can say you can give the size here. So you can set the width ease in out. So here I'll be writing ease dash in out. Okay, so here if I write this, save here, save, and you can see when I've written this on time update, so we are getting animation here. So here if I use animation tag simply, so here I will be using animation. So here I will be using this animation tag. Then you have to write here this thing. So I will be erasing this. Then you have to write animation. Then when you've done with this thing, just remember to do one thing here. Like you can see we are getting header which we have written in our animation tag. Now here you can just use a font tag here. So here when you have just used this font tag, so now you have to move down that header in this, save this, and you can see we are getting header here also. Now you can set the style here, which should be italic, and here save this file, and you can see now it is gone. So here I will be telling you how to change the font style here and how to give effect to this. So here if I just do one thing, if I write h1 tag here, and then here if I write header, save this, and then if I write font style, and if I write it to like italic, save this. So here you have to write font, so here I'll be writing font style is equals to, so here I'll be writing style is equals to italic, save this. So your text will be changing into italic, so like this, and you can see when I'm writing italic, so it is moving back, means it is not coming bold. So you can see it is not coming here. So 400 if I write, so like this you can work with, and you can give the style in h3 tag here like this. So here you can set font style, and today we have learned how to set font style in h1 tag, and I hope you understand how to set font style today. And here save this. So you can see how to set the font style. You can see we have just done that, and I hope you understand this video. And today we have learned how to just give the font style here to our text, means how to set font style of our text using Next.js, and I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be coming up with more Next.js videos. This video was small because I was just showing you how to change the text effect, how to give the effect to your text using Next.js, and I hope you enjoy that. So if you enjoy, so hit a like and subscribe on my channel, because it motivates me to make more videos like that and do more help you for in future. So I hope you understand this video also. So now I will be meeting you in next project. So for today, good bye.